In this video we're going to check how to replace the rear lights on Renault Clio 4. Let's check all the bulb types. These are side and brake lights. On the right side we have a reverse light, direction indicator lights, and on the left side is the fog light. When you open the trunk you can see two Torx TX20 screws, and those are the only screws holding the rear light unit. Gently wiggle it out using both hands. Once it's out, you can see here is a small pin that fits in the hole up here. Now we need to disconnect the wires connector. We use a thin screwdriver to push upwards and pull out with fingers at the same time. This is how it works. Now that the rear light unit is detached, we see three clips holding the light bulbs housing. Here are side, brake and direction indicator bulbs. To take any of these bulbs out, simply push it down gently and rotate it slightly, it will pop out. To put it back, also gently push it down and rotate it back. Side and brake lights are joined in one light bulb. When putting the unit back, keep in mind the pin which needs to fit in the hole and connect the wires before. Gently tap with the palm of your hand to make sure it fits perfectly and tighten the two screws. Let's check how we can do the same with the second part of the unit, which is located on the trunk door. Depending on the side, here you'll find fog or reverse light bulb. We've used a flat-headed screwdriver to pop the plastic cover out. We can see the bulb right away, just rotate it with your fingers about 90 degrees and you can take the light bulb out. Just as before, push the bulb down, rotate it and pull out. When putting the bulb back, keep in mind you have to turn the connector back in the original position. If you need to take the whole unit out, all there is to do is to undo this bolt here. Tell us in the comments if this was helpful. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this, and thanks for watching.